You're gonna be fine, I promise you.
Do you want to go for a ride? Or how about let's go take a bath?
Can't really tell you what to do.
¿Quiere galleta? ¿Quiere remedio?
Is this for you? Are you on hold to be adopted, sweetie?
What is that, Racy?
Time for a bath. Who's going first?